Hello everyone, this is Demetrius, and I'm here for a toy review. Wow, I'm gonna have to zoom out. Picture's really blurry. I apologize. I actually found this little treasure at a yard sale. Picked it up for $5. I know, right? In this day and age. This is Return of the Jedi, Jabba the Hutt. Comes with the hookah pipe and the little railing that holds the hookah pipe, and then the little container that holds the little animals that he eats. I feel bad because I don't even know the name of the animals. We just call them frogs. 'Cause that's basically what they were. They just kind of souped them up a little bit. And I'm going to do something, and I'm going to open it. I know there's a lot of people out there thinking, no, don't open it. It's going to be worth a lot of money one day. It's not going to be worth a lot of money one day. It's not going to be worth a lot of money. Now, if you have the original one that came out in the mid 80s, then that one's going to be worth a lot of money. It has been opened. Let's see, so I'm going to open this up. I'm going to compare it to what I already have in my collection. Phone down here. Get your standard razor. And of course, kids, always get your parents' permission to use a razor. Or better yet, let your parents do it for you. That way, you can avoid injury. And here we go. Oh, one of the little creatures came out already. Now I'm fine. Okay. And here we go. Let's see what we got here. So far, I got one of his little snacks. Let's see. Let's see here. Oh, that's right. I forgot about these. No. Hasbro likes to really make sure no one's gonna steal these. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these. It's gonna take some time to undo the twisties. Any minute now, my beautiful wife is going to come in here yelling because our show is on. Okay, so here we go. Can't forget the waist. Cannot forget the waist. Or is that his neck? I don't know what it's called. The Hutt's the anatomy of a Hutt. It's just a mystery to me. And there it is. Okay, now to compare this to the one from the the original, I think it was 1983 or 1984 issue of Jabba the Hutt.
What's on, baby?
Let's see here. Date says 1983. Comparing to that one, it's very undetailed, but it was the 80s. People were on a budget back then. I'm just trying to do size comparisons. Okay. Now I will say this, that I can tell right now just by looking at it. Okay, I don't know if many of you remember Jabba the Hutt from episode 1, his little toy that came out. He actually had one. And it looks like all they did was they repainted it and they added a tongue. This is the one that came out that had the goo. You put the goo inside and it shows him vomiting. His little mouth comes out. Had him vomiting the goo, the green goo, and his little frog creatures. Again, I'm not sure what they're called, but I'm gonna open up my little container that I had of those said creatures that came with the 1999 version. Let's see here. There we go. Again, these guys, these are the ones that came with this figure right here, 1999 Jabba. And I just realized I hope this video is not going to be coming upside down because I just turned it the wrong way. So I apologize if anybody's trying to stand on their head right now. See, little creatures he puts in his mouth, he eats them. Oh, whoa, wah, 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 wah. So, of course, it's hollow. So I don't want to get too in detail with this one, so I'm going to move, but I want to show you comparison with these two. They're exactly the same. So all they did was they basically took this guy, gave him a more solid, hollow, more solid, more detailed look, more slob on his face, drill on his face, tongue, which I don't think that comes off. It'd be really cool if we could. Oh, it does. Well, look at that. Awesome. I can get rid of the tongue. I'll put that somewhere else for later. Let's see here. Let's see. Now I'm gonna go ahead and compare the hookah. I'm gonna compare the hookah with the hookah that came with the 1983 Jabba. Here you are. Trying to see if it's a repaint. Indeed it is. It's just a repaint. That's all it is. It's not as detailed as the original one, I think anyways. This is the original one. And then you've got the repainted version, which they did give it a better cord instead of some flimsy looking nylon rope. So here is the cord that goes into this. There we go. It actually makes sense. And his one little frog. This is the one little creature can go inside here. Okay. And I'm gonna have to untie. Put him down here for a little bit. I'm gonna have to undo this. I need both hands, so I apologize. Put this down here. Those twisties will get you. I was actually taking this out also to see if it could fit the original Jabba's stand. Let's see here, but I don't see any pegs in here for this. But either way, it still can go on there. Okay, and let's see, I'm gonna put him back over here. Snap it inside here. Oh, well, I had it wrong. Okay, bam, there we go. They made it idiot proof. They just didn't make it Demetrius proof. So that's on me. Oh, look at that. Hang on here. I didn't even notice that. Because the original toys I never had. This little guy has eyes. Kind of looks like a little baby Cthulhu. And then that goes right there. Snap. Oh, I need two hands again. Okay, yeah, it just required a little bit more gravity on my end. Now, from what I'm seeing, according to the box also, the difference between this one, this is the one from the vintage one right here. Actually has a handle, but even with the original one that it came with, it never showed you how he holds it, which is kind of a rip-off. Actually, you can. It's got a little nub. You actually have to hope that gravity keeps it in there. But yeah, it could hold it. But this guy doesn't have one. So what did Hasbro do? Again, this is from Kenner. This is from Hasbro. Hasbro made it to where you take out that little tongue. There's a little hole in there. And you take this part of the hookah pipe, and then you stick it right in his mouth. Not as effective as him holding the hookah, but what are you gonna do? Put that little guy back in there. There he goes. Okay, so there you have it. This is definitely a repainted version of the better sculpted, better painted job version of the 1999 Jabba Episode 1 Phantom Menace. And definitely a better version than the 1983 Return of the Jedi toy that came out. So yeah, I'm gonna definitely give this a very, very well. You know, I still wish he could hold the hookah pipe, but it's okay though. I mean, he's got a removable tongue. You can actually put something inside here. That's what I like about that also. So either way, I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. So that's what I have. And again, this is the Star Wars Jabba the Hutt Return of the Jedi. This is from Hasbro, and this was copyrighted at 2004. I remember these were going for like $20 at Walmart, and I got this for $5 at a garage sale. That's all I have. Look forward to doing another video with you guys soon. Thanks for your patience, and hope to see you guys again. Thank you.